think it's about time to get a battery. Car will start, but we out here in front of Advance. About to go ahead and replace the damn battery. What's good with y'all? It's the Gold 247 back with another video. And as you see, I'm at Advance, about to get a new battery for the car. And then I have to hurry up and get back home because I'm getting in front of my garage finished. As far as the apron on the garage, we're getting that done. So yeah, trying to hurry up now. Got the new battery installed on the way home now. Like I said, dude is about to do my apron. Of course, I gotta go pay him real quick, and then I gotta shoot down to my mom's house, take care of some stuff. But when we get back to the house, maybe we can do some stuff around the garage. And I really don't have much more to do. I do have to order a few more things. Still looking for another engine for the Mazda because I'm ready to start on that. I gotta call around and see if we can find a place that can actually do a good paint job and body work on this car, because with the weather and my garage situation, like I don't have the lights in my garage. I don't know if the dude ran off my money, because I did give him about $200 to pick up some wires for my garage so he can run it from the outside, like run the line and stuff from the outside to bring it inside the garage. The wires came up to like the wires came up to like 165. I gave him money and I haven't heard from him since, and it's supposed to be like 2-3 weeks ago. So that's my situation with that, and I'm getting annoyed with that. But yeah, I'm supposed to definitely have power inside my garage. I should have my TV up by now, all that good stuff. But hey, you live and you learn. But that's just a little stuff I'm trying to take care of right now. But at least we getting the apron fixed. I got to get the back part of the garage, and like I said, we just getting stuff done. Preparing myself for next year, because I'm definitely going to try to do it big and better each year. As long as y'all keep watching and subscribing to my channel, showing the love and support, we're going to make more and more possible for this channel. So I appreciate y'all, and I'll pick back with y'all later on today. Back at the house, added a quart of oil to the Camry because the damn check engine light came on. And I don't think I honestly changed the oil since we bought the car. So that's the first thing you should do when you first get a car. I gave it a tune up and everything except oil change. I changed the spark plugs and everything, never changed the oil. So yeah, I got a quart of oil today. And so this is what we're getting done later on today. Like I said, I'm going to my mom's house. So if they do come out and start working on it, this is what it's going to be. The front part of the garage, as you see, I don't know if y'all ever noticed in the videos that this is not even with the front part of the garage. You see the big difference right here? So he's fixing that for me. Like I said, we supposed to have lights in here way before this was done. I'm getting land cleared off, like this big tree that be the little acorn tree that be dropping stuff on the car. That's going to be removed, along with more of that.
2 hours later.
One thing at a time. Back at the house now. About to get this filled up. Gotta start somewhere, right? But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all when it's finished. We're getting it done now. What's good with y'all? It's a few days later now. I'm about to head to this meet. So I haven't done this in a minute, getting off work to go to a car meet. But yeah, you already know we got a little drive ahead of us. Getting off of work mad late. I should have been off like 30-40 minutes ago, so we should be there right now. The meet started at 6:30 or 7 o'clock. It's almost 7 now. So I'm gonna pick back up with y'all when we get there. See y'all then. Yeah, this shit is alright. As you see, we made it out here. Outside Boys, another meet. Always. Nice ass setup.
No, not encourage. I like encouragement.
What's good with you, bro?
That's what's happening, bro?
What's up? What's up? There's the man.
Let them know this lot about to be filled to capacity. Parking lot
For sure. It's only been like 30 minutes so far, and look at this lot. Packed. Easy. Look at this. Like 30, 40 minutes in. Now y'all good, fellas. Look at this shit. Man, I'm glad I came to this one. Look, nobody's getting gas today. It's a gas station takeover for sure. I'm out here straight off of work, in work clothes and all. Can't miss this. As y'all see, this shit never fails. Like, what we got on a Friday night? Friday night, ain't nobody. This is what we call outside. Ain't nobody in the clubs, no bars, and nothing. We out here chilling. Y'all see what I mean, right? Look. Shit gets. I look like shit dirty as hell, but that white pops for some reason. Anytime you come out, it pops. No lie. That's why the new build is the first thing to get painted first. Because that white still looks good. Well, yeah, this is crazy. Almost an hour in. Doing a little catch up now. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Rob and Outside Boys stay looking out. As soon as I pulled up, they found me, put me right in the front. They some good people. Support them. If you watch this video, make sure y'all come out and support, because they definitely show love back. But these meats, the meat's always fire, as y'all see. This is at a freaking 7-Eleven, and they took it over for sure. There's no parking anywhere. Gas pumps full, so it's always a vibe when I come out here, so I can't complain. So I had to run in the store, got me some food. Freaking buffalo burning my damn lips. Of course, you know I got a Celsius. Been at work all day, tired of shit. But came back out, and it's like way more cars. You can't really tell from right here, but it's like 2 rows in between the cars at the pump. Over there is full, and then the lot at the other part is about to fill up too. So it's crazy. I'm about to eat, and I'm gonna do a little more walking around, and then we probably head out, because I still do have to work in the morning. But you know we gotta make our appearance, so yeah, I'm gonna get back with y'all. About 5 minutes later, finished eating. Look at this. It only takes a couple minutes. Got the bikes gone, so in a little spot right here with some more cars. Hopefully they don't block me in this time, so I gotta get out here soon. But this shit is crazy. He got the music. We're gonna take a lap. There's so much out here, so look, we're trying to fill up every parking space now on this side. Got the music turned down so I won't get copyrighted. I don't know what the hell they playing. Like, fucking live. crazy. Oh, man. God dang, that shit loud. I might still end up getting blocked in. It's fucking raining now. That's why I should have did pulled in like this, so I could just get the hell up out of here. Yo, it's just so funny. I came back to my car and I got people taking pictures of themselves in front of my car. Like, it's crazy. I still got two right in front of my car now. That's what I'm talking about. But like, that's like a good feeling. I ain't gonna lie. Mind you, I built this car from nothing. It didn't even cost that much. So if you put your mind to it, then you can do whatever you want. Like, little sources. You didn't even take that much. Got the car, traded a ZX10. I'm probably maybe less than 5,000 invested into the car. Mind you, I got the whole top end, rebuild and everything. So. And I did a lot of stuff myself, so that saved me a lot of money. But yeah, it's a good feeling. As you see, it's packed out here now. I'm probably gonna have to finesse my way out here some type of way. I'm probably gonna have to go through CVS this way to get out, but yeah, it's crazy. Boy, they acting stupid out here, blowing horn.
I don't even know how to set off my alarm. I don't want to.
What the fuck? Oh my God, it's always like this. Shit you gotta deal with when you host the meets. People will come here just to fuck it up on purpose. It's the crazy part. And it's nice and chill out here too. Yeah, people just acting dumb. forgot about that. We had to stop to get gas. I ended up staying the whole meet. People got crazy, but things ended up calming down towards the end a little bit. But yeah, that's going to pretty much wrap this video up. I hope y'all enjoy this one. Y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Y'all subscribe to the channel. And of course, until next time, I'm out.